No, the M3 didn't break down. But more or less it did. Like a grandma is right now. Because we're rubbing major. And it's destroying my tires. Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are taking the E36 M3 to Cars and Coffee. Quick little thing about this, I thought there was a Cars and Coffee. I got the whole day off and there's not, it's canceled. I was told by one person that I guess a group of people still show up. It's about an hour drive, so we're kind of just gonna risk it. I mean, I already took the day off work, so we're just gonna do it anyways. All right, before we get on the road, we're gonna go pick up Cole. And then we're gonna meet up with Daniel, and then we're gonna move out to the meet. All right, so before everything starts in this video, I do want to say thank you for 300 subs. I know it's not a huge number, but it means a lot to me, and I'm just stoked we hit the number. And we're already at 310 or something, so I'm just stoked. Can't wait to get to 1,000 and so on. So thank you guys for watching and subscribing and supporting the content that I make. Other than that, let's carry on with the vlog. Let's go pick up Cole. Hopefully you guys didn't see that, so yep. Alright, predictions on whether or not there's gonna be anybody there.
I think there's gonna be people there, but not a lot. Not like crazy amount, but okay. I think there's gonna be people there. Alright. Definitely.
I stalled going up your hill, by the way. I stalled up your hill because I was trying to film it. Alright, so we want to be there by 8:30 and it's not, I don't know, we'll see.
They don't want to have a photo of you in the gas station.
Right now. Sick, fuck yeah. So we definitely got some rubbish on the freeway and I want to scope this. Yep, it exists. We got motherfucking D Reese in the cuts with the donuts.
With the donuts, I need a drink though.
Holy shit, dude. What? Wheels crazy.
I was gonna do tire time and then I just didn't. So.
All right, so like I said, we were filling up, the car's ready to go, and we only had a little bit of rubbing on the freeway. I'm gonna pop out my like little suicide quarter windows just for the hot boy effect, maybe. I have no idea. We're gonna see if anybody's even there. I don't know if anybody's gonna be there, but I'm going off of one person's DM that said people show up. Bro, stacked the donuts. Okay, so we're here. Daniel with the donuts on the soft top. This thing, I love how they said canceled. It's canceled. Fat, man. Look at all this. E46, E30. E30 super clean, especially with that wood rack, dude. Shout out Richard with the new Stinger. Yeah. Wow. My daughter and I just got my 91 inside. That is sick. We're on the off-ramp. Wow. What a clean car. And they're like, yo, it's this. Okay, these headlight covers, the Hella, I'm trying to get those for fog lights. Impossible to source. We got a shoe, looks good.
E92 M3 on the Fox Red. Pretty sweet. Let's see, DCT, oh, carbon roof, DCT. Yo, check out the bike though. GSX-R. I don't know, is that 1,000 cc's or something? I don't know shit about bikes. The wheels are actually sick on this. Beautiful Continental. Thing is sick. Dude, it's like pristine. It's
Dude, we had like 4 of these yesterday. That was so weird. Dude, after I dropped you off, I saw one in Florida.
Superman. The louvers are so cool on these cars.
I feel like it's a must almost.
Hey Daniel, what can you tell me about this car? Okay. Bro, this shit is sick. I can't. Yeah. Yeah, no, he's just rubbing. Look at how it's pushed out like that. This is Ryan's car. Completely on the ground. It's a really cool color though. So I don't know jack shit about these, but this is Daniel. This is all you, dude. It's yelling at you. It's saying, I'm at CarMax, bro.
It's 119 bucks a month at CarMax.
I think that's Cinnamon is what it's called. I have no idea. E39 dudes, drop it in the comments. This has a new Vortec in it. I don't know if it's a 5.7 or a 6.0. I don't know what it is, but this truck is badass because it's got all that patina. Super sick, and the exhaust out the bed there. I knew it. Knew it. No, the M3 didn't break down, but more or less it did. Let me explain and show you. So I don't know if you can see that, but the tires, my offset's so aggressive that we're trying to hit this road. And it's a decent drive, it's a long drive, and we're only 10 minutes in and I've shredded the sidewall. So unfortunately, it doesn't look like I will be taking my M3 anywhere fun today on a cool spirited drive. We are, I think I'm gonna turn around, but I'm a little bummed, because I don't know, I'm a little bummed, but it is what it is, and it looks like I need to do some major, I don't know, I gotta camber arms or something, but the car's on stock height. That's what I'm scared of. The front, if it rubbed a little bit in the front like it does, I would be fine with that, but the rears, like this is all sticky, and I don't want to rub my sidewall down because it's rubbing right here. I don't want to rub it down to the point where it's effed, because we're only 10 minutes in, and if it just keeps wearing down and down and down, we're just gonna get fucked. I'm fucking bummed though. I guess we're gonna turn around. I guess we'll play VR, some stupid shit. I'm pissed. Like a grandma on this road right now, because we're rubbing major, and it's destroying my tires. So I'm driving like slow, and still, you can hear it. I don't think we can hear this. So anyways, we're going home. It's not worth it. If we do it, I think I'll regret it, because these tires are brand new and they're really expensive tires. And what's happening is we're rubbing the fucking sidewall off of them. And the last thing I want to do, I also don't want to like crumple my quarters or my fenders. So I just gotta cut my losses. But even driving this road slow, I'm like in 1 gear. We're not doing anything. Dude, I'm in 4th in this, and it's just brutal. When we get home, I'll show you. There's gonna be a chunk about this big.